guys, welcome back to another day in the life of a content creator. Today is Friday, and I usually don't do too much on Fridays. I actually have a few chores to do around my house today. I'm still in my PJs. This is a little comfort shirt that I got off the TikTok shop, and then I'm just wearing some sweatpants because I'm always cold. But I'm about to change into, I'll show you guys. I'm going to do a few little chores around my house, and then I'm going to go sit in the sun because I'm basically a house plant and I need sun and water to survive. Actually, this is one of the last like hot kind of weekends. I think it's supposed to get down in the 70s, which is still warm, and I know people love the 70s, but listen, I like it hot. And then after that, I have to email a couple of brands about some brand deals. I also want to get better at scheduling my TikToks out. You guys, this week TikTok has kind of made me crash out a little bit. And I know it's probably because of the like takeover or whatever, like TikTok was bought out by somebody else. My views have literally tanked. I haven't had any like quote unquote viral videos in a while. And TikTok is like dangling the carrot in front of my face. And I might need to get off that app for a while. So I'm going to try to maybe just schedule my TikToks out so they just come up and I don't have to get on there and be annoyed sometimes. So, chores, email brands, schedule TikToks. That's kind of what I got going on today. Okay, YouTube. This is real life. We're in my bedroom here. The things behind me, things we shall not speak of. This is real life in a non-aesthetic household. I changed into my bikini. We're gonna do a few errands in my bikini because I don't want my like pajamas to get stinky from doing chores. So this little skirt is from a company called Albion Fit. Full transparency, I think it's a Mormon company, but I like it. They're like out of Utah. And then this little top is from Old Navy. Okay, I'm gonna get my bathroom garbage and then we'll probably do some laundry. From outside. My face is a little bit red. I maybe got a little bit of sun. I just realized I ate my brunch without even showing you anything. I did do a little make a coffee with me over on TikTok, so I might insert some of that footage now, but my coffee's delicious. I just had a bagel with some strawberry cream cheese and then a couple of strawberries with like this cream cheese, or like whipped cream, I guess. And now I do have that laundry to fold. I tried to fold it this morning, but it was still wet, so I had to spin it again in the dryer. I might fold some laundry. Can you see my Hocus Pocus Lego set? I need to finish that. I don't know what we're doing, you guys. Okay, I've sat down here at my computer. Can you see, you guys? Maybe right there, that's my phone case. Anyhow, I am going to email a couple of those brands. I did edit and schedule a couple of TikToks, but I didn't record that because the device that I do my TikToks on is this device right here that I'm recording this vlog on. So I'm gonna log into my email, send a couple of those emails out for products, and we might end the vlog here, you guys. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, I'll probably go for a walk in the park and end up on the couch watching some trash television. I'm into the 90 Day Fiance series right now. Oh, I gotta shower too. I gotta wash my hair tonight. Okay, let's get to the emails.